Top 5 Cryptocurrency in the world. A cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of a bank or government. To date, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrency projects out there that represent the entire $870 billion crypto market. Cryptocurrency is digital money that is not managed by a central system, like a government. Instead, it's based on blockchain technology, with Bitcoin being the most popular one. As digital money continues to gain traction on Wall Street, more and more options become available. While you can use cryptocurrency to make purchases, most people treat it as a long-term investment. However, volatility makes investing in cryptocurrency risky, as demonstrated by the recent freefall among cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins pegged to the US dollar. It's important to know what you are getting into before you buy in. Bitcoin gets all the headlines when people talk about cryptocurrencies, but there are literally thousands of other options when it comes to these digital currencies. In fact, cryptos that are not Bitcoin are usually considered as alternatives to Bitcoin. Here is the list of top 5 cryptocurrency. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, or a ledger logging transaction distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. As of this writing, the market capitalization of the world's top digital currency is more than $125 billion, with a price per coin of more than $7,305. Bitcoin was initially created to be used as a digital payment system, but experts say it is still too volatile to be used for that. Bitcoin still dominates the portfolio of commercial crypto investors and makes the headlines, helping raise the profile of other altcoins. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it's become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy one Bitcoin for about $500. As of July 1, 2022, a single Bitcoin's price was around $19,400. That's growth of more than 3,780%. Number 2. Ethereum. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met, and non-fungible tokens. Ethereum is a digital token which prompted the rise of the initial coin offering, comes in second on our list of cryptocurrencies by market cap. It is significantly smaller than Bitcoin. Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to the beginning of July 2022, its price went from about $11 to $1,057, increasing almost 9,509%. Number 3. Apecoin. Another top crypto to buy and invest in July is Apecoin. The gaming coin was launched in 2022 by the team behind Bored Ape Yacht Club. For those unaware, this is a platform that is made up of 10,000 one-of-a-kind collectible Bored Ape non-fungible tokens. This coin offers some of the best altcoins to buy, all of which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Apecoin is an ERC-20 cryptocurrency with governance and many utility features. This top crypto's price was at around $6.40 when it was first launched in early 2022. Within hours, Ape prices were trading for around $42 per token. The interesting part is that Apecoin users receive a 2% discount when making online purchases with this coin. Apecoin is one of the best cryptos to buy according to most Apecoin price predictions. You could also diversify by adding it to your portfolio. Number 4. Binance Coin. Another crypto to add to your watchlist in July 2022 is Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of trading volumes and number of users. The crypto exchange also has its own native crypto asset, BNB, which allows users of its exchange to benefit from paying less commissions. Binance Coin can also be used for investing, payment processing and booking travel arrangements. It can also be exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency assets, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Binance Coin is also the digital token that is used to support the Binance Smart Chain, which is home to a range of undervalued crypto tokens. With that said, the price of Binance Coin has taken a beating in recent months like the rest of major crypto coins. The token has dropped below the $410 mark several times in 2022 already, which represents a discounted purchase price. Number 5. Uniswap. The next crypto to consider buying is Uniswap. Primarily, Uniswap is home to a popular decentralized exchange that allows users to buy and sell digital currencies without requiring a centralized third party. This popularity has since resulted in Uniswap surpassing a market capitalization of $5.70 billion as of early 2022. With that said, Uniswap has since expanded its business model by creating an online marketplace in conjunction with the NFTs and metaverse. Not only will this immerse the crypto's trading experience, but by offering its marketplace via the Uniswap network, buyers and sellers will be able to transact in a decentralized manner. According to Uniswap price predictions, the coin is expected to reach $18 per token in 2022. With that said, the token now represents a discounted purchase price of over 60%. And if you want to learn more about interesting people in the world, please don't forget to click the link in the description. paidforadvice.com. So bye for now and see you in next video.